Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is tortillas. 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 This is jalapeno. Jalapeno. I know it starts with J, but basically this is a Spanish word and Spanish people pronounce J as H, right? So this is jalapeno. Steak. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Steak. This is salad. Salad. Mixture of cucumber, carrots, lettuce, onions, tomatoes. This is lasagna. Lasagna. This is called cheese. Cheese. This is pizza. Pizza. It's not pizza, it's pizza. This is called tacos. Tacos. Waffles. Waffles. This is spaghetti. Spaghetti. This is called pancakes. Pancakes. This is cookie. Cookies. Britishers call it biscuit, but this is also known as cookies. This is croissant. Croissant. This is mojito. Mojito. It's another Spanish word. Mojito. This is called momo. Either it's one momo or a lot momo. It doesn't sound as momos, it's just momo, okay? And the last is sandwich. Sandwich. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.